guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So in today's video, we will be doing our savings challenges. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason for me to cash stuff and zero-based budget is to save for 6 months of expenses. So we do have a lot to cover today. We are stuffing $50 into our savings challenges. Now I only have one planned out, which is going to be my 100 envelope challenge, which will be $26. And everything else I'm basically going to go with the flow. So let's jump right into this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yesterday's video where I did my 6 months of expenses and my debt. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out my budget book. Well, I really don't need it, but I do want to write the things in it. So for my budget book, as far as saving challenges, like I said, we have $50 today. And 100 envelope is getting 26. I don't know what else I'm going to do, but this is the plan. I'm planning on doing roll the dice, scratch and save, Christmas, dollar diamond, and dollar ice cream challenge. So let's see how this goes. I'll write those in later. Okay, so let's start with the 100 envelope challenge. We know we are going to cash stuff $26. So let me get my marker and mark 26 on here. And let's put it into the slot. Okay, so 26 right here. So I have a 20, 5, and 6. Okay, so there we go, 26. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to jump into my scratch and save monthly savings challenge. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's see what I get. Hopefully it's not all my money that I have there. So we have to scratch it off. Where's my scratching off tool? Okay, it's right here. So I'm all over the place today, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience, but today has been a day with my toddler. Like, it's been a day. But I'm still surviving. So which one should we do? Let's do the second one. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so we have $10. Okay, so we have $10. So let's put in $10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wasn't going to do this video today because, like I said, today has been a day, but I just pushed myself and did it anyway. So sometimes when we're having those days, we just got to push ourselves. So January now has $15 in it. I think I'm going to do next my roll the dice challenge. That's my favorite challenge out of all of them. So monthly savings challenges due, and these are available in my shop. The information is in the description box if you guys are interested. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do in here. How much do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we have $14. So let's roll the dice once and see what we get, because I do want to complete that challenge. So let's go to roll the dice. Okay, so let's roll this dice and see what we get. Okay, we got 5. Do I have a 5 slot? Yes, I do. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, so let's color in the 5, and that's going to be in purple. And we're almost done. We have 1, 2, 3 more numbers. We have a 6 and 2 4s. Should I? No, I'm just going to roll once. Okay, so let's get 5 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm like tempted to roll again. Let me count this and then I'll probably roll again. I don't know yet. Okay, so now we have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. And remember, guys, the goal is 105. So we are almost there. I still don't know where I'm going to put this money at when it's complete. I say by like, maybe in 2 weeks it'll be complete. Or let's see during the week, like next week. And I'll probably just take out this amount to complete it. So let's see what I do. Okay, now we're going to do our, it's between birthday and Christmas. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it has to be one $5 challenge. Or maybe my spring savings challenge since it's new. Let's do, okay. Okay, let's take out $5. I'm gonna do my spring savings challenge, the money in the bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll do that, and then these $4 will go into my dollar diamond and my dollar ice cream. So let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna put $2 in here. 1, 2. Since the money in the bag is a new challenge, I want to put something in it this week. Okay. So we're adding $2. Now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that has $20 in it. And I believe the total here is like 43 or 47, something like that. So there goes that. And then we're going to do our ice cream challenge. We're going to put $2 in there. So now we have a total of $4 in there. Right? $1, $2, and then these $2. So that's $4 in there. And then our last $5 we'll put into the spring savings challenge, which is this one right here. So we're going to do the money in the bag. What did I use? Like pink? I used this right here. So let's cross one of these off. So now we have a total of $10 in that challenge. So it comes with the envelope in the back. If you guys are interested in any of these challenges, they're in the description box below. So now we have a total of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 in here. And that completes all our savings challenges this week. Hopefully this helped you guys out in learning how to save money with savings challenges. And on Sunday, I will bring you guys all about zero-based budgeting. So stay tuned for that video. That will be on Sunday at 6 o'clock. And a reminder, guys, every video is at 6 o'clock. So if I do Sunday, Monday, it'll be 6, and all the other days is 6 o'clock. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for supporting my small business and supporting this channel here. Like I said, today has been a day, but I did show up and give you guys a video. And yeah, guys, I will see you later.